Hey guys, today's video is going to be all about the Poshmark Ambassador Program. I'm going to tell you the truth about it and whether or not it's helpful to be an ambassador. Okay, so first off, I'm gonna go straight to the Poshmark website and tell you guys what they say a Poshmark ambassador is. This is directly from the website. Are you passionate about Poshmark? Do you love welcoming and educating new members as they become part of our amazing community? Then we have just the right opportunity for you. Become a Posh ambassador. Okay, so here are some of the expectations of becoming a Poshmark ambassador. You have to maintain an active closet. You have to participate in the Poshmark community, provide great customer service to buyers, and be in good standing with community service guidelines and terms of service. Simple, right? How do you become a Poshmark ambassador? You have to have 5,000 community shares, and that's honestly what took me the longest because I was sharing my stuff more than other people's stuff. Next, you have to have a minimum of 5,000 self-shares. So you have to share your closet, the items in your closet, at least 5,000 times. You have to share a minimum of 50 new Poshers closets. So people that are brand new to Poshmark, you have to share at least 50 of their closets. And there's a very easy way to find out like who's new to Poshmark. You go to new people and then fresh closets and you just share 50 people. You have to have a minimum of 50 available listings, which might sound like a lot to someone who, is just getting started, but 50 really isn't a lot. You have to have a minimum of 15 sales. Your average purchase rating has to be 4.5 stars or better. Your average ship time has to be less than 3 days. And you have to leave at least one love note. A love note is just a note or a comment that you leave someone after you purchase something from them. So Poshmark wants you to be part of the community too. They want you to buy something. So you got to make at least one purchase and leave the person a love note. Okay, now what are the benefits of becoming a Poshmark ambassador? So from the Poshmark website, it says you get recommended to new Poshers, receive exclusive newsletters with sneak peeks, and you get to unlock access to fun programs and special opportunities. Here's my thoughts on becoming a Posh ambassador. It was something that I really wanted to achieve because I wanted that title because I thought it would bring me a shit ton more sales. I thought it would bring me a shit ton more followers and everything would just be great. It definitely brought me a lot of followers. I would say, honestly, the main benefit of becoming a Poshmark ambassador is you get a lot of followers. When you become a Poshmark ambassador, your name will show up down here, and I'm just on the, I went to my feed and then I tapped on the little person up here, and then I'll show you guys. It says connect with Poshmark ambassadors, if my camera will focus. There we go, right there. So your name will show up down there, and that's honestly the best perk, I feel. Did it bring me more sales? It's hard to tell because right around the time that I became a Poshmark ambassador, I feel like I put more effort into this business. I became very serious about it. So I don't really think that becoming a Poshmark ambassador will give you more sales. I really don't. And what else did it say? A newsletter? So I don't think I've ever gotten a newsletter. And if I've gotten an email from Poshmark with new things that are going on or like changes being made, I feel like that was also on their website too, like as part of their blog. So I don't know. I don't think that that's really true. It also says unlock access to fun programs and special opportunities. Maybe they count hosting Posh and Sips as like a fun opportunity because I'm like 99% sure you have to be a Poshmark ambassador to host a Posh and Sip. So maybe that's what they're talking about. But as far as like other things, like I didn't like get a free ticket to like Posh Fest or something like that. Like I didn't get like an exclusive invite to like a private Poshmark party, like nothing like that. So I don't really know what that means. I don't know. I feel like it's just a way for Poshmark to get people like excited about the app and to want to be more active in the app by like giving people the title of Poshmark ambassador. But I feel like really all it does for you is gain you more followers, which, don't get me wrong, it's good to have a lot of followers. because, you know, the more eyes you have on your closet, the more likely you are to make sales. That's, you know, just common sense. But there's also other ways to get followers, like following people, you know. A lot of people will follow you back if you just follow them. So is being a Poshmark ambassador something that you should strive for? I mean, if you're serious about your business, then yeah. But is it something that will like change your business dramatically? I don't think so. Not at all. So yeah, there you have it. There's the truth about becoming a Poshmark ambassador, or at least my truth. All right, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will link my other Poshmark videos down below if you want to check them out. I'll also have a link to my Poshmark closet down below, and you can check that out. If you're new to Poshmark, if you sign up using my code KeepinItRad, then you will get a $10 credit, so you'll get $10 off your first purchase. And I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. If there's any other Poshmark specific videos that you guys want to see, please feel free to comment down below and let me know. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.